What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. Geek. Lenovo is going to launch the first 5G smartphone with the Snapdragon 855. Can we really trust Lenovo again? Yes, this is a harsh question. After the Lenovo Z5 lie, it's going to be a bezel-less. It's going to be a 4 terabyte. It's going to be like I don't know 45 days of battery life. I know Lenovo did a fake guerrilla marketing. It worked in their favor. Can we trust Lenovo? When it comes to like 5G, even Motorola is going to launch their first 5G. The thing matter is time who is going to come up in the market with the first 5G. Number one thing, first not always mean better. A lot of company come up with the first camera, but now they have zero share in the camera world. They have come with the first color smartphone. I think Simon was the first color smartphone. Where's Simon? So even if Lenovo come up with the first 5G smartphone, I do not care. Literally, I do not care. 4G LTE is more than enough for me. So it was me, Jimmy. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below. Bye.